Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it is just begun.
Hello everyone, my name is Wulan and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I just wanted to let you know that I make videos about my crochet journey, my current projects, orders, and maybe some DIY, travel and stuff. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. Disclaimer: this is a crochet with me, a kind of documentation of my journey while making this project, not a complete video tutorial, but I hope you can still enjoy it and get some inspiration maybe, and also emphasize that the project I created is my own design. However, I didn't make the written pattern because I don't have time. But if you want to recreate this design, of course, I don't forbid it at all. Honestly, I would be very happy if you can please include my credit. You can mentioning me by my social media accounts, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It's hexa.crochet. So thank you very much for your understanding. So I'm using rainbow cotton yarn. I love this. It's 100 grams and 193 meters, and I'm using hook number 6, 3.5 millimeter. I'm starting from slip knot, and I'll make 29 chains. It's about 17 centimeters. I make 2 chain and 29 half double crochet. This is the last stitch. Then I'm gonna make 2 chain, turn over, and make 29 half double crochet again. Remember, it's just in the back loops, like this. Now it's my last stitch. For the next row, it's just the same 2 chain, turn over, and 29 back loop half double crochet. Now I'm in the row 18. Then I can finish my work, slip stitch and cut the yarn. So I have the first patch. It's 17 times 17 centimeters. I love these stitches, back loop half double crochet, because it's so stretchy and easy to make. Well, now I have another patches in the different colors, and I make this one patch. This is what I use in the front of my sweater, but I'm really sorry because I don't have tutorial for this because it's hard for me to explain. But it's basically just increase and decrease, back loop, half double crochet. Now this is my favorite part, to arrange the patches to make the sweater. I think I'm gonna simply using darning needle to sew my patches like this. So this is the back panel, front panel, the sleeve, another sleeve, and it turns like this. When I try this, it doesn't fit in my body, so I decide to remake the arrangement, and I try the easiest way to connect the patches, which is slip stitch, and I got this. This is the scrap yarn that I have, but absolutely it's not enough. So I purchased another yarn and I got them today. The color is baby brown and deep brown. And by the way, I already made this color. I love it so much. I'm just using back loops, single crochet, and I can't wait to make the sleeves. Now we have finished this one sleeve. I like the result, even though for me it's a bit short, but never mind. I'll continue with the other sleeve. This is the same stitch, which is back loops, half double crochet. I'm gonna make 34 rows and join the edges. Then I sew it to the sweater. After that, I will make ribbing with the red yarn using back loop single crochet all the way around, and this is the result.